What if your camping gear wasn't just functional, but game-changing? Today, we're showcasing the most innovative, compact, and rugged tools of 2025, built for campers, hikers, survivalists, and everyday explorers. These aren't just gadgets, they're your backup plan, your comfort zone, and your edge in the wild. Hit that like button and check out all the product links below. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your loved ones. Let's dive in. Number 15. Nightcat Pop-Up Camping Tent. When speed and simplicity matter, this pop-up tent sets up in just 3 seconds. No poles, no hassle. Designed for solo campers, it's fully waterproof with upgraded folding tech that makes packing 40% smaller than standard pop-up tents. With roomy interior space, 7.7 by 3.3 by 2.95 feet, wide windows, and a ventilated porch, it's perfect for hiking, beach trips, or emergency shelter. Lightweight, compact, and built for real-world use, this tent is your grab-and-go solution for fast outdoor comfort. Number 14. OGERY 2-burner foldable camping stove. Cook like a pro, even in the wild. The OGERY 2-burner camping stove features dual-textured and smooth griddles, 10,000 BTU adjustable burners, and push-button piezo ignition for fast, reliable cooking. Its foldable stainless steel design packs down compactly into a carrying bag, making it ideal for camping, tailgating, or outdoor events. Windproof and easy to clean, this stove brings serious heat and versatility to your next adventure. Number 13. Odoland Camping Cookware Stove Carabiner Canister. Cook anywhere, pack light, and stay adventure ready. This Odoland Camping Cookware Kit includes a mini stove, 2 non-stick aluminum pots, stainless steel cup, fork, spoon, knife, canister stand, tripod, and carabiner, all packed into a compact mesh bag. Built from anodized aluminum, it's lightweight, durable, and designed for fast heat conduction. Whether you're backpacking, hiking, or picnicking, this all-in-one set makes outdoor cooking simple, safe, and efficient. Number 12. Camping Cookware Storage Bag. Looking for the ultimate outdoor kitchen setup that's compact, organized, and adventure-ready? This camping cookware storage bag packs 14 essential tools, including chef's knife, chopping board, fork, spoon, spatula, and more, into a durable portable case built for camping, hiking, RV trips, and picnics. With corrosion-resistant stainless steel utensils and dedicated slots for each item, it keeps your gear clean, secure, and instantly accessible. Whether you're cooking in the wild or prepping for a weekend getaway, this all-in-one kit is a must-have for outdoor chefs and camping enthusiasts. Number 11. Hydration Bladder 1.5 to 3 liters water bladder for hiking backpack. Stay hydrated wherever adventure takes you with this BPA-free hydration bladder. Available in 1.5 liter, 2 liter, and 3 liter sizes. Built for hiking, cycling, running, and camping, it features a leak-proof design, wide mouth opening for easy cleaning, and a high-flow bite valve for quick access on the move. The low-profile fit slides easily into most backpacks, while the durable TPU material resists wear and temperature changes. Whether you're hitting the trail or prepping your gear, this water reservoir keeps hydration hands-free and hassle-free. Number 10. Waterdrop Gravity Water Filter Straw. Purify water anywhere with confidence using the Waterdrop Gravity Filter Straw Kit. This 5-stage filtration system includes 2 filter straws, a 1.5-gallon gravity-fed water bag, and 2 16-ounce pouches, making it ideal for camping, backpacking, travel, and emergency prep. It removes bacteria, chlorine, sediment, and odors using ultrafiltration membranes and activated carbon, delivering clean water at up to 700 milliliters per minute. Lightweight, BPA-free, and built for rugged use, this kit ensures safe hydration wherever you go. No electricity needed. Number 9. MalloMe Sleeping Bags for Adults Cold Weather and Warm. Stay warm, sleep easy, wherever adventure takes you. The MalloMe sleeping bag is built for comfort in cold weather, rated from 0 degrees Fahrenheit to 45 degrees Fahrenheit, with a waterproof Hex-Tech shell and soft synthetic fill. Lightweight, yet roomy enough for adults and kids, it packs down small with a compression sack for easy carrying. Whether you're hiking, camping, or prepping for emergencies, this sleeping bag delivers warmth, durability, and all-night comfort in any season. Number 8. UCO Stormproof Match Kit with waterproof case. When fire starting matters most, this kit won't let you down. The UCO Stormproof Match Kit includes 25 windproof waterproof matches, 3 replaceable strikers, and a floating waterproof case that holds up to 40 matches. Each match burns for up to 15 seconds, even after being submerged in water. Ideal for camping, survival kits, or emergency prep. Number 7. LED Headlamp Rechargeable. Need hands-free lighting that's smart, powerful, and built for the wild? This rechargeable LED headlamp delivers up to 2,000 lumens of ultra-bright light with 8 modes, including spotlight and floodlight, plus a motion sensor for touch-free control. Designed for camping, hiking, running, and fishing, it's IPX5 waterproof, USB-C rechargeable, and ultra-lightweight for all-day comfort. Number 6. UCO 4-piece camping mess kit with bowl. Tired of messy meals on the trail? This compact mess kit keeps it clean, organized, and adventure-ready. The UCO 4-piece camping mess kit includes a durable bowl, plate, 3-in-1 spork, and a reusable tether to keep everything secure. Made from BPA-free, food-safe nylon, it's dishwasher and microwave safe with non-slip rubberized grips for stable eating on uneven surfaces. The bowl and plate snap together with a leak-proof seal, making it perfect for backpacking, scouting, or everyday outdoor meals. Number 5. Royal Gourmet GT 1001 Stainless Steel Portable Grill. Grill anywhere with power, style, and portability. The Royal Gourmet GT 1001 delivers 10,000 BTU of heat through a durable U-shaped stainless steel burner, ideal for camping, tailgating, or backyard barbecues. With 285 square inches of cooking space, folding legs, and a lockable lid, it's compact yet powerful. The built-in thermometer, removable grease tray, and 1-pound propane tank compatibility make it easy to use and clean, sleek, portable, and built for flavor on the go. Number 4. Hyke and Byke Zion 1-Person 3-Season Tent. Orange. Imagine setting up camp solo with a tent that's ultralight, weatherproof, and built for real adventure. The Hyke and Byke Zion 1-Person Tent is a 3-season backpacking essential featuring a PU5000 waterproof rainfly, bathtub-style floor, and included footprint for extra protection. With a compact pack size of 16.5 inches by 5.5 inches and a trail weight of just 3 pounds 1.4 ounces. It's ideal for through hiking, camping, or road trips. The kit includes aluminum stakes, gear loft, and reflective guy lines. Everything you need for fast setup and reliable shelter. Number 3. GOODaaa Power Bank Wireless Charger. Need power that lasts for days and charges everything at once? The GOODaaa 36,000 mAh solar power bank delivers 15-watt fast wireless charging, built-in cables, and 6 output options for all your mobile devices. With 3 input methods, dual LED flashlights, and a rugged design that's waterproof, shockproof, and dustproof. It's built for camping, emergencies, and off-grid adventures. The carabiner clip makes it easy to carry, while solar charging keeps you powered even when outlets aren't an option. Number 2. Coleman RoadTrip 285 Portable Stand-Up Propane Grill. Imagine firing up a full-size grill right at your campsite, tailgate, or backyard. Without sacrificing portability, the Coleman RoadTrip 285 delivers 20,000 BTUs of grilling power across 285 square inches of cooking space. With 3 adjustable burners for precise heat control, Its Insta-Start ignition, foldable legs, and lockable lid make setup and transport effortless. With side tables, a removable grease tray, and a built-in thermometer, this rugged propane grill turns any outdoor spot into a flavor-packed cookout zone. Number 1. Multitool. 26-in-1 multi-tool pliers with pocket knife. When the outdoors demand more than just a blade, this 26-in-1 multi-tool delivers rugged versatility in one compact package. Perfect for campers, hunters, hikers, and survivalists. It features needle nose pliers, wire cutters, knife, saw, scissors, files, screwdrivers, rope cutter, and more. All crafted from high-alloy 440A stainless steel for durability and rust resistance. With one-handed access, a camouflage finish, and a belt-ready nylon sheath, it's built to handle real-world tasks wherever adventure takes you.